I had Jake in one time. We're standing on the screen, he's looking over here, and he's like, there's a little depression right there, like running towards the creek. He's like, dude, there's gotta be a pipe there. So me and Vince and a couple of other guys come out. We're digging in the bank looking for a pipe. And we're about to give up, and we're walking up the bank. And Vince, my assistant, just goes, what about right here? And he just sticks his shovel, water starts coming out. I'm like, what the hell? So start digging. About 1.5 feet, 2 feet down, just a gray PVC pipe that's just coming out of the green.
But they never took it to the creek.
So, no, they never took it to the creek, but like, it's just a pipe that like dead ends like right here. But obviously water's gonna find its way out somehow. So we take all the soil out. Matt, I thought I had an irrigation break. Like that's how much water was coming out of the green, so.
It's a good time to talk about drainage.
Yeah.
I mean, it's absolutely critical to have good drainage in these greens. I mean, these old clubs, you know, they built greens to hold water because they didn't have good irrigation now. Plus they didn't get any rounds. You know, they got 6,000, 8,000 rounds a year. Now they have these old greens and they want them to perform without any internal drainage. It's really brutal.
Yeah.
That was why XGD was such a godsend.
Yeah. Nah, I mean, when weather cooperates, these things are great. We can firm them up real good, and you know, they're running real good. But we had 5 inches of rain over 4 days, and these things are going to stay soft until
well, and it's
next
not the
week.
right time. It's a hard time of year to dry greens out.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
And you got a 220-pound guy standing on them with Vibram soles.